Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to create amazing 3D Oppenheimer poster in Photoshop. So let's begin the tutorial. First we are going to take a new document, just click on File, New, 1280 into 720 pixels, then click on Create, and I'm going to take a box like this and take a blank layer, click on solid color, go to 3D and new 3D extensions for selected layer. Yes, okay, decrease this one. Okay, remove this shadow. Okay, so this one is done, and I'm going to take a blank layer and just merge both this. Okay, so I simply placed this one in this area. Next I'm going to add some images. So this one is our first image, so I'm going to select this one by using quick selection tool. So select this complete desert and click on your document and simply place this one. Control minus, adjust this one as per your document. Hold Control and place this one perfectly. So, and make opacity 100%. So your surface is ready. And second I'm going to create our surface. So I just select this layer, this image. Okay, and simply place this one in our new document. So I just place this one, select this one and simply place this one also, and again do the same thing, just select this one and simply place this one more time. Okay, so this one is completed, and we are going to make this layer little bit darker. So I'm going to select curve, clipping mask, make this one little bit darker. So because if you don't make this one darker, the front and back side both looks like same. So I'm going to make little bit darker this layer. So this one is done, and also add some extra mountain. So this one is our mountain image, and I'm going to select this one. Same process, use quick selection tool, minus. Okay, and simply place this one in this portion. Release clipping mask, control minus, adjust the image and follow the steps. So this one is done, and I'm going to take a mask layer, go to brush and make opacity 50%, and then remove, and go to edit, transform, select warp tool, and press OK. So this one is completed, and you can get your mini island. Now second work is our smoke image. So I'm going to just select this one and place this one and this portion. Control plus, go take a mask layer, go to brush, So our next work, we just add some more images in our artwork. So I just place this tank image, adjust this one as per your document size. So I think I place this one in this portion, and just take a mask layer and remove this unwanted areas. Change the color, just click on adjustment layer and go to color balance. This one is done. And add another tank. So this one is the second image. So I'm going to place this one and follow the step. So this one is done, and select this layer, go to brush, make white, this time select via solid brush, and I'm going to adjust these areas. And our second image, so this one is our second image. So this one is done, and our next work, we just add shadow, because shadow provide any image realistic look. So take a black color, make opacity 100%, and simply apply a brush and make this one a little bit flatter. So my friend, the work is almost completed, and I'm going to colorize our background. So just click on adjustment layer, go to gradient, click on this layer and select this time orange, and I'm going to select, I think this one is perfect for my artwork. So I just select this one, make this one white, then press OK. And reverse this one and convert, I think make this one a little bit, so this one is perfect. Just click on this layer and make this one a little bit darker. Okay, then press OK, then press OK and press OK. So then this one is done, and this is our bird image, and I'm going to provide this one. The birds are running because of this blast. Make this one again duplicate. So my friend, the work is done. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Okay, see you soon with new tutorial. Goodbye.